I would say if you want to stop translating in your head, you need to start with the basics. Whenever you're using particular nouns, stop saying them in your language, like completely. And when I say particular nouns, I mean specifically nouns that are really, really common, especially in your life. So examples of things that you'd probably see every day: bed, door, house or apartment, couch, TV, things that you have in your home that you are seeing and interacting with every day. Just completely stop referring to them as whatever they are in your own language and refer to them only in English so that they become those things in English rather than what they used to be in your native language. You won't translate in your head because you'll do it so often that whenever you see those things, you're gonna think about the English word for them. Likewise, you can do this with very common verbs like eat, sleep, drink. You wake up every day, don't you? Whenever you talk about waking up, say wake up. And you don't have to necessarily even use a full English sentence, right? Just use wake up, just the verb. That will help you to stop translating in your head. And you're going to have to start with those essential words that we use every day because it'll be so easy. I would also say with adjectives, colors, feelings. We talk about colors quite often, I'd say. And then we talk about how we feel. Oh, I'm feeling kind of tired today, or I'm happy, I'm stoked, I'm sad, I'm angry. Emotions would be a good place to start as far as adjectives go. Again, it will depend on your life, what you use in your own language. Think actively about the words that you're using most often in your own language. Choose 5 or 10 of those and make a commitment to switch them out for the English words. And as soon as you get that repetition going, you'll get to the point where you don't translate in your head because you have made those things, those feelings, those verbs, what they actually are in English. So I hope that helps.